Nuketown. It's looking like it could be a good day. Had to wait out the canyon closure. Good thing I left at 6:45 so I could actually be moving in this red snake and hopefully get some relatively okay parking. Hopefully most of these people are going to Alta. Woo! Going through time warp here. Alright, so we at the Bird, kind of a ghost town again today on a Monday. Battled the canyon closure. Made it up here, plenty of time. Got the batteries charged on the way. Sat and waited right at the end of Wasatch Boulevard for like an hour. That was fun. Yeah, so far looking money today. Snow's a little sticky, but nothing the Party Platter can't handle once we get charging. Probably gonna head over to Gad D. See what's up over there. Gad2's open, Little Cloud's open. Let's go check out Gad2. Feeling nice so far. Ooh, yeah. Nice and floaty. Yeah, dog. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting beer tears. It's so good. Tears of joy here. Oh my Lord. Yep, your vocals are good. So good right now. So good. Whew.
This is some pretty big carved up bumps though that are lurking over the canyon.
Yeah, there's a couple little spots that seemed harder than I expected, but there's plenty of fresh and more coming down. I think in an hour it'll be fine. Rad. Eating cool East Coasters. All right, well, let's go do some crazy stuff. Oh, there is some hard hitting stuff in there though. Swimming through it. Oh, a little crusty through here. Oh.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, you're chilling, no worries. Whew. Need a minute anyway. Whew.
Want to pull?
Ooh, much appreciated.
Yeah.
Ooh, thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too, boss. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. I'm choking on snow. I'm choking on snow. It's a little rough underneath. Whew. Ooh-wee. Okay, we're back at the car. Didn't get a chance to bring out for some follow laps. It was just, as you can probably tell, I'm fucking wiped. My hair's a mess. It was deep. I mean, look at my car. I'm buried in it. I've even already started to get some of the snow off of it. So, yeah, it was an epic day. I'll probably throw together a little edit of what went down today. Gotta give a shout out to the K2 boys back home in Washington for allowing me to demo the Party Platter before I picked one up. This thing has been so cool to have, and really grateful that I got the opportunity to be able to demo it and now be able to ride it as the daily. Oh.